Greetings. It is the 20th of June, 2026. We've got a lot of, sounds like critical feedback over here. Dr. Chi, you don't like this drawing? How about you, Prime Minister Mazel? No? Okay. Well, taste is in the eyes of the beholders, and it's not very seedy, even though it says Tesco 3-bean salad. All right, I came across this drawing yesterday, which I did in 2011, and I found my Tavistock hotel room receipt, and I was evidently staying there from June 5th through the night of June 12th. Wow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like 8 nights. I have to review my teaching records, see where I was and where and when, what dates. Anyway, sometime during that stay in London, I did this ink drawing standing outdoors on site of 3, I think they were life-size statues. I think there were more than that. I have to look this up on the internet or write a friend in London. Because I don't remember what building it was. This one definitely looks female. This one, hard to say. This one looks male. Looks like a bit of a mustache and hint of a beard, although that just could be the shadow under the chin. Anyway, and I added some, aside from the Tavistock hotel receipts, I added 2 pence postage stamp of the late Queen Elizabeth II, and this is funny, invoice number so-and-so, Segan, June 12th, 2011. They spelled my first name as E-A-K-I-V-A. Like, what is that? Eek-Iva. Eek-Iva. And they spelled Kenny, my nickname, childhood nickname, K-E-N-Y. Lost an N. Well, maybe the N joined up with the noodle somewhere. And in search of the 3-bean salad. Oh, who knows, you know. Tavistock Square, I barely remember it. And this was a packaging paper from some shampoo. I don't remember if it was in the hotel room or I bought it or what. But I saved a bit of it. This is the authentic S-T-O-N-G Stang Gregor and Smith shampoo. By Jove. The authentic Gregor Travel something G-L-Y lemon. Okay, we'll go for that. Little citrus back then. Okay, there we have it. You guys want to see? Guys, gals, boys? I forget. We say budgerigars, and I think they say budgerigars over there in Britain. Okay, say hi. This is the drawing I just framed. What do you think? Silence. These are tough art critics. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, there you have it for now. And, okay. And to my friends in London, be safe when you're walking along the banks of the Thames, flying gefilte, flying ludifisks. Yes, indeed. Yes.